Welcome to Lifestyle Upscale, your ultimate guide to a holistic, healthy, and happy life. Today we're going to talk about Ayurvedic powders as natural shampoos. Let's start with the benefits. Ayurvedic powders have been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine and are gaining popularity as natural alternatives to conventional shampoos. Here are some potential benefits of using Ayurvedic powders as natural shampoos. Gentle cleansing. Ayurvedic powders typically contain natural and mild cleansing agents that effectively cleanse the scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils. They are less likely to cause irritation or damage to the hair follicles and scalp. Natural ingredients. Ayurvedic shampoos are often made from a combination of various herbal powders such as shikakai, Rita, amla, neem, brahmi, and hibiscus. These herbs are rich in essential nutrients that promote hair health and growth. Nourishing and strengthening. Ayurvedic powders can provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the hair and scalp, promoting hair growth and strengthening the hair shaft. They also help with dandruff control, balancing the scalp, and are suitable for various hair types. And because they are natural, your scalp gets reduced chemical exposure. Plus, this is an eco-friendly, cost-effective method to take care of your hair. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary, and some people may not find Ayurvedic powders as effective as commercial shampoos for this specific hair type or condition. Additionally, if you have any allergies or sensitivities to certain herbs, it's essential to do a patch test before using these powders as shampoos. As with any hair care product, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or hair care specialist if you have any specific concerns or conditions related to your hair and scalp health. Best Ayurvedic powders for the hair. There are several Ayurvedic powders that are commonly used as natural shampoos, and they can be beneficial for various hair types. Here are some of the best Ayurvedic powders and their potential benefits. Shikakai. Shikakai is known for its gentle cleansing properties and can help promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and add shine to the hair. It is suitable for all hair types. Rita. Rita is a natural surfactant that creates lather and effectively cleanses the hair. It is particularly useful for oily hair and scalp as it helps control excess sebum production. Amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which nourish the hair and promote hair growth. It can help strengthen the hair follicles and prevent premature graying. Brahmi. Brahmi is known for its calming and cooling properties, making it beneficial for those with a sensitive or irritated scalp. It can also help improve hair texture and reduce hair fall. Neem. Neem has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it an excellent choice for addressing dandruff and scalp issues. It is best for oily and dandruff-prone hair. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is rich in amino acids and vitamins that nourish and strengthen the hair. It also helps maintain the natural pH balance of the scalp and promotes hair growth. Bhringraj. Bhringraj is often used to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and improve hair texture. It is suitable for various hair types. Most Ayurvedic powders can be used for all hair types, but some may have specific benefits for certain hair concerns. For example, if you have oily hair or scalp issues, powders like Rita and Neem can be particularly helpful. If you're looking for general hair health and nourishment, powder like Amla and Hibiscus are excellent choices. If you have any specific hair or scalp concerns, it's a good idea to research the specific benefits of each herb and choose a combination of powders that address your needs. To use Ayurvedic powders as natural shampoos, you can mix the desired powders with water or other natural ingredients, such as yogurt, aloe vera gel, or coconut milk, to form a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair, massage gently, and then rinse thoroughly. Experimenting with different ratios and combinations can help you find the best Ayurvedic shampoo recipe for your hair types and needs. Conditioning. If you have some more time left to deep condition your hair, it is a good idea to use a natural ingredient conditioner after using Ayurvedic powders as a shampoo. Some natural ingredients that can work as conditioners and complement the effects of Ayurvedic powders include coconut oil. Coconut oil is an excellent natural conditioner that can penetrate the hair shaft, providing moisture and reducing protein loss. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has hydrating properties that can soothe the scalp and add moisture to the hair. Shea butter. Shea butter is rich in fatty acids and vitamins, making it a great choice for deep conditioning and softening the hair. Argan oil. Argan oil is a lightweight, non-greasy oil that can add shine and moisture to the hair. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help cleanse and condition the scalp while providing nourishment to the hair. Honey. Honey is a humectant that attracts and retains moisture, making it beneficial for dry, damaged hair. Avocado. Avocado is rich in natural oils and vitamins that can deeply moisturize and condition the hair. You can use these natural ingredients as hair masks, leave-in conditioners, or even incorporate them in your Ayurvedic powder mix for added conditioning benefits. When using a natural conditioner, make sure to apply it to the midlands and ends of your hair, avoiding the scalp if you have oily hair. Experimenting with different natural ingredients will help you find the combination that works best for your hair type and condition. Remember that individual hair characteristics may vary, so it's essential to tailor your hair care routine to suit your specific needs. Tell us in the comments below about your future hair plans. We hope for you to have the most beautiful and healthy hair. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.